Hello to everyone, my name is Natanael Méndez and I'm going to make the presentation about video sharing website, especially YouTube, and how to use that to teaching English as a foreign language. And we can do it for teaching and learning English as well. So first of all, I want to talk about the more common teaching materials related to YouTube. Okay, first of all, the aim of learning a language is being able to understand message and then share those messages in the new language we are learning. In our context, of course, is English. To get this ability, it is necessary to have a good skills in our language, in the language itself. For that, it is necessary to have interaction with native speakers in order to get contact with them, with the language and context. There are many materials and tools that people can use or produce to have contact with the language or communicate. Those include reading magazines, watching TV or movies in the language related, listening to radio, shortwave modules, especially because in shortwave we can get international channels. But nowadays, the internet is providing us a good deal of tools to do that. For example, learning songs on YouTube, where it's possible to listen at the same time to see and follow the lyrics with this so useful. We could use YouTube to search and watch serials, programs, music, and a good deal of information in the language, in another language, and use it. We can use all these materials to learn and teach. In our context, English as a foreign language, of course. Why YouTube is really important? Because in YouTube nowadays people is using to share information all around the world, so we can find information in whatever language it is. In our country, we can use it for learning English. So YouTube have a special channel for school for teaching, and there are a lot of subjects we have that could be taught in YouTube: science, math, history, etc. So there is a lot of material that is used for that. Another thing is YouTube is the most important website for sharing videos. So we can take advantage of that because we can find a lot of information so useful that we can use it for learning and teaching as well. There is a lot of channels to teach English as a foreign language, and it is very useful. We can find science, sprinkle of science, whatever kind of thing we need. International teachers that use some tools and some ideas to advise how to teach and how to learn. So there is a lot of information that is sharing all around the world. Another thing, there is some channels especially for teachers to get those videos information on how to teach and how to learn language is very useful. To sum up, Facebook, YouTube is really important for us in our common day because people is using everywhere as you use Facebook or another social network. And YouTube has a lot of kind of things like video, music, movies, shows, all categories you can find about education there. So YouTube is a good tool to teachers and to students as well to learn our language. So my reflection about it. I think it's very important giving special attention to the need of considering materials according to the language ability. Personally, I consider the first ability we need to improve and teach a lot is the ability to understand message and then be able to use message learned to communicate with others. So we can find these materials that improve our listening skills. For example, there is one very important and I found out on the internet, and even if you find them on YouTube. There is one is done by bbclearningenglish.com. It's some kind of news report with particular vocabulary according to the level for the student. And as I said, I shared with you the link in the bbclearningenglish.com. They have a special news report and they present real news with a special vocabulary for the people who are learning English. Another kind of things is another example is using TED. TED is to give the ability to listen conference in English with subtitles, could be in English or Spanish, whatever you want. And that will improve our skills. At the same time, we will learn new things according to the students or teachers interested and desire to learn. But the most important thing is all these kind of things you can find it on YouTube. So